So we've got the head of the sawmill, taking it back to Log HQ. That's why, you know, they say portable, but not so portable, hey mate? No. No. We need extra machines. Yeah, and we've been robbed. We've lost a fair bit of stuff. We lost the winch off it, and the arm it comes off. We lost all our tools. We lost blades. It only happened like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, fuck. Shattered, man. All right, well, I'm gonna go because I'm depressed. Well, let's tighten that guide block. Let's get this out of the way for a minute. Oh, drop it down. Oh. Jeez, I can't believe it's full of sawdust. Never leave it like that.
I know.
What the hell?
I can't believe we fucking just like that too. No, we must have been busy, can't we?
Yeah. Cool. Oh, you get up now? No, but I have. There is one there. Here, bud. Take those. Thank God they didn't steal this. We've been robbed. Stolen our tools, stolen parts. Shouldn't it be where those hooks are, or those ones, the lifting hooks? Where the wood is. Take the wood off.
Yeah, well that's what I thought, but it fucking...
Out a bit, yeah.
It was leaning real bad.
Yeah, but
I mean, look, you could try...
I reckon we somewhere in the middle.
Chain.
There's a chain in there. Oh, chain.
Yeah.
We're gonna get the truck. Yeah. Don't know how strong this thing is. There's more slings if you want more.
What do you got there? Check it.
Oh. Where'd it go?
Down there.
On the ground? It was bent a bit, I think, last time we lifted it. So it's not that strong.
It's not going to do up.
We've got no tools. All the tools are gone. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I know, yeah. Yep.
We haven't got any more of these.
I don't think so. I'll have a look. I'll have a good look. Yep. Carabiner. Nah. Is that sling okay? Is that sling alright? It's got a few tufts coming out of it. Sorry.
Got a couple of fluff bits.
Yeah, right.
Not bugging.
Yeah, that's it.
And then see
Yep.
what
See what happens.
go is, yeah.
You can't go forward anymore.
Let's see where it's going to pick it up.
Because you're going to need to.
Get up alright, isn't it?
Yeah, it's going to be alright. Yep.
What I'm going to have to do is go back a bit. I'm going to have to re-angle this.
Yeah, I get you.
Keep it there.
Yep. Oh, watch out! Dude, you,
That went down quick, too quick.
oh, it's on the brake.
It's on the brake.
Yeah.
Pull it back. That's it. No. I've got to go down.
Alright, well,
So
there.
get it away from the brake, you know?
Yeah, I've got to wait as far as I can.
Put it down. What I've got to do is I've got to go back and find it.
Yeah, here, it's alright now.
Alright?
Yeah, that's as low as you can go though.
How's that?
You're half an inch away from the tip.
I don't want to go too far to the side with it.
Yeah, here. Yep.
I'd rather angle the fucking machine a bit more.
Okay.
Get it.
Well, shall we?
Well, maybe I should take the truck forward, we can put this down, take the trailer forward, and then reposition the machine over it.
Yeah, cool.
Might have
Do you want to go back? You can't go back any further now?
Yep, I can go back, I just need to put it down again.
Yeah, if we... Oh, alright. Stop.
But, so I can only go back
Up.
like to there.
Alright, well, can you go up any further?
That's it.
Okay, just stay there for a minute.
If I move the car,
Yeah, I was just going to say, yeah.
then I can swivel to the side and put it
Yeah.
down. Yeah?
Yep. Oh, my baby's floating in the air. My baby's floating in the air.
Sure is.
So this is why it's not portable, people.
Yeah, that's right.
Because you ain't like, you know, they advertise like you can drive with it on there, and they but then in the instruction says do not do it, and I wouldn't do it. Do you want me to chuck some?
Take it a little bit to the right.
Yep. I'll chuck some wood under it. You want to put it down?
Right, just take the carabiner off the clip. That's it.
Oh. Don't move.
Right, I'm going to go up higher with it in a sec by doing this. Now I've got to come back in under it, remember?
Yeah.
The trailer.
Do you want to sit it just over there while you pull the trailer in? You don't want to sit it just over there while you pull the trailer in, or
No,
you want to put the back down?
keep it up.
You want the back down?
Remember we've got to reverse it in.
Should we put the back down?
Pull it. No,
Why?
because we can't.
Yeah, that's right.
Remember?
All right.
We've just got to come in.
I don't know if it's going to go under.
You've got to swing it a bit. You got to.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
You've got to.
Yeah.
Just get it in the right spot.
Yeah. Yeah, straight. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Stop. All right, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Stop. Oh. All right, keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Stop. Come and have a look.
That do?
Pretty much, come and have a look.
That's what you want. Rightio. Down there, you reckon?
Yeah, we can go here.
We'll go forward a bit. Or
Well, not too much more because Yeah, he's going to be pretty good.
That's most probably pretty good, eh?
Yep.
It's on the deck there.
As long as the deck doesn't give out.
Yeah, it will. Once it's strapped on, it'll be right. There we go, she's there. See if you can undo that carabiner through there. Yeah, that's it. Can you get that?
Yep.
Take it a bit towards you.
No, it's all right, it's all right. Come on, babe. Oh. It's just maybe up that way a bit.
Pump back up.
It's that way, yeah. Yeah, I'll try that. That's it.
Is that it?
That's better, yep. Why not? Don't move.
Enough?
Yep.
Beautiful.
I got him. That's how we do it, people.
That's how we do it.
Fucking nightmare.
Now we just wrap her all on so it's held there and
Yep.
put down the side of it. Get the trailer out later.
Clouds are coming in. So the clouds are coming in. It's not mine. Tell me if you need a hand. I'll just start packing all this up, yeah? There's a lot of gear to move, isn't it? Can't believe we got robbed. I'm shuttered we got robbed. What a pain in the guts. What a pain in the guts. Damn, it's not there. You want a hand, just let me know. Oh. Where you want it?
Yep, beautiful. So diagonally.
Going over that wire. Do you want it under or over that wire?
Pull down the other way.
Like this?
Yeah, it's got to come back this way. That's it. Take this. Hang on, let's put that one. Which way is it going? Tight?
Yeah, it's tight, man.
Tight?
Yeah, well, you know, it's tight as I can fucking... I'm not a fucking He-Man.
No.
I'm doing my best.
Like, you just got to help it come
I'm
through.
trying, man.
No, you're doing the wrong spot.
Well, what do you want me to do? Pull this down?
That one.
That's doing nothing.
Yeah,
That's not doing anything.
Making sure that's...
This is the only way I can get tighter. Pulling that one.
Alright.
It's the only one I can do. Like, I am seriously, like, messed up, dude.
I reckon that's pretty fucking tight. Have a feel. That's part of the trailer, mate.
That's pretty good.
That's not going anywhere.
Just take it easy and we'll be fine.
Yeah, mate. You're taking it easy, don't worry about that.
Still got the tongs. Should we take the loading ramps now? Or?
Yeah.
Fuck. Yeah, for sure.
You got it in?
Oh, I'll sort of just get it over there. And,
You're right.
all right. It don't grow. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Yeah. Oh. In the ute, you reckon?
Yeah, I'll put them in the ute.
Yeah, I'll just get them lined up. All right. Hard work, mate.
Yeah.
Cheese graters. Fucking cheese graters. More sweat.
I'll try.
Yeah, they shouldn't go too far back. Sharp on the bottom too. Good old cheese graters.
I'll undo that black strap and wrap them with that.
Never taking this. Not taking the sawmill anywhere again. Not taking the sawmill anywhere again. Oh! Oh. It'll hold it together as far as I'm concerned. We had to bust that in, didn't we?
Yeah, mate.
Oh no, you're lucky. Fuck, that would have come out in the road, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? Wheels buried in hard.
Buried, isn't it?
Yeah,
It's gone hard. Is it?
yeah, I'll get the crowbar.
Grab it.
Look at the sawdust. It's crazy.
Yeah. Gone off like cement, is it?
Oh no, it was just, you know, packed in. It wasn't too bad, but it wasn't moving with my foot. I'm just lifting this side. You might have to lift that side to get the
No, it's fine. Over there at the moment.
Whoa, we're blocking the road. Whoa! And out she goes. That's half a sawmill. That's steep, that is.